Hello everyone. Today we will make this subscribe animation that to in few simple steps from Alight Motion app. And the download link of its XML preset file in the description. After downloading, it has to be imported into the Alight Motion app. Then the Alight Motion app has to be opened. After this, by clicking on the Group 1 layer, you have to edit group. Now edit me on the group layer, and after that we have to add the logo of our channel. So you will see a group with a logo here, something like this. And now the logo has to be adjusted well. After this you will add the name of the channel. Here you will see the name of my channel. With the name of Spidy Intro, it has to be renamed. Now the number of subscribers you have to be renamed here, or you can hide it. Now the subscribe animation is completely done. Now it is also quite easy to use it. Let me show it. For example, I add a video. Then from where the subscribe animation starts, trim the video from the same place. And also trim the video from where the subscribe animation account is. Now this will be the video above the animation, copy it. Then after coming to group 1, in video here, paste the copied video. After this the video has to be adjusted well. Now this video has to be deleted. These were just some easy steps to add the video. And yes, you can apply any other color or any image in the background. Hope you liked this Alight Motion tutorial video. Now we meet in the next video.